Hello, I am David Calderon, the CEO of Geral, the AI chat for doctors. Do you know that in this time doctors still use pagers and faxes to communicate? And in some countries they still use iMessage and WhatsApp to share clinical data of the patient to solve a clinical case? That's surprising, right? That's the reason we create Geral, an AI-powered compliance chat just for doctors. With Geral, healthcare communication becomes collaborative. And doctors enter Geral, can share a clinical case quite easily, give and receive feedback from any peer in the world, and find the best treatment for the patient. Since we started, we have more than 1,500 cases. We have more than 2,000 doctors in 7 different countries. We have more than 20,000 interactions in the application, and this is just the beginning. With 20 million doctors in the world, more than 150 peer consultations done per day, the market becomes huge. Me and my co-founders, we together have more than 50 years of experience in health and in tech. So join us to cure healthcare communication in the world.